Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk you through in Excel how to create a form to make data entry so much easier when you're adding to an existing table or starting a brand new table. So let's walk through what we want to do here. So we have the form already created, and then I'll take you through how to do that. So we can just say new, we can just type in, a new name and some new ID for employee ID. Put in some department that they're working in, and we'll put in some kind of salary. And we can just hit enter at this point. Notice the spreadsheet though. Look at the employee data set table. And as soon as I hit enter, that information will show up, at the bottom here. So that's what we want to do today. So let me show you the process for doing this. So let me see if I have an Excel sheet up that we can borrow from. And see, not that one, not that one. Oh, whatever. We can start from scratch and add to it. So what I want to do to start this process, and this is going to be instructions for a PC, so make sure these shortcuts are going to work on your PC. But I'm going to highlight the column headings we have to start with. So I'm just going to select them, I should say. I'm going to select the column headings. Then I'm going to do Alt on the PC, the Alt button, and then D, and then O, like the letter O. So Alt D O, and immediately you should see this come up. Now for you Mac users, it's supposed to be Option, and then D, and then the letter O. And you kind of want to roll that when you do those keyboard shortcuts to get your form to pop up. So obviously this one just shows, this first entry that we have here, but you just hit new. If you want to add a new entry, obviously if you want to delete an entry, go to the next entry, you can just click right through what you've got, because sometimes you may notice a mistake in one of your entries, and you can just simply go back to that particular entry and correct it. So for instance, on, let's see, that one, yeah, I think everything's right about that. So that is just really quick and simple, and the reason being, it is much easier to type in this form than it is to take new information that maybe hasn't even been digitized yet, and to map it out or type it all out on a spreadsheet, one cell at a time. That's hard on your eyes. So the form makes more sense for putting in, basically inputting new information into your table. So I hope that helps. Thanks for your time.